Hi everybody, this is Lance. In this video I'm going to go over another 0 DTE buy side win. We're at 8 in a row now. Counts up 19% in a little over a month. Going to go over the trade, the mechanics, and we're going to do a live stream event tomorrow, Tuesday at 6 p.m. Central or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a link in the description down below, and let's get right to it. Today at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, SPY price was 623.04 and said to buy a 624 put. Entry price 1.51 with a take profit 1.81 and a stop loss at 0.91. Very straightforward trade. Once you enter the trade and a market order, you do an OCO order to close it with a take profit and a stop loss. If you look on the entries here, I got in 39 seconds after the alert. Ideally, you get in within the first minute, and I got in at 1.52. Lasted about 4 minutes or so, and I closed out at the target profit at 1.81. I did 7 contracts total, and I've been doing a running spreadsheet here for today. 1.52. Yep, 1.52 to 1.81, made $29 per contract in just 4 minutes. Times it by 7, it's a $203 gain in 4 minutes. My running total profit, if you look at all the trades here, are 1,921. And I'm using a $10,000 account, so we're up 19.2% since May 27th. If you look on the Discord, let me make this a little bit bigger. All right, so if you look in the Discord on the chat log, we will show what's happening. Got a lot of winners here. Sorry, I'm having a little bit of problems here. We'll get it to work. Let's make it bigger. Do it that way. All right, so nice win for Monday in the week. I was actually trying to change the 7 close to 6 of them and then leave a runner on, but it actually closed right as I was trying to do that. Nothing wrong with that. Still made a really good profit in 4 minutes. Look at other members, 1.56, 1.81, boom. Another nice one out 1.81. If you look at the Post Your Profits channel, 3 contracts, $96 gain, $52 gain, $300 gain. And people are showing their entries and exactly how they got in and out. $150 gain. Another 2 contracts. So a lot of winners today. This is a really good service that I'm very happy with. This is the only buy side service that I'm actually using. And we're going to be doing a live stream tomorrow. Link is in the description down below. And it'll be tomorrow at 6 p.m. Central or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll be going over the strategy, and Phil has updated the strategy to make it even more successful, even though the results are already really good. So look forward to seeing you guys. There is a way to win a free lifetime subscription. I'll leave a link in the description down below. All you got to do is put in your contact info, and we're going to do a random prize draw for a lifetime winner. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and look forward to talking with you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below this video or leave a comment or question during the live stream. Have a good one, guys.